Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to link Coinbase to your bank account. First, log into your Coinbase account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate and click on the Settings or Profile icon, usually found in the top right corner. From there, you'll want to find the Payment Methods or Add a Payment Method option to begin the process. This is your starting point for connecting your financial institution. After selecting to add a payment method, you'll be presented with various choices. Make sure to select Bank Account as your preferred method. Coinbase will then display a list of popular banks. If you see yours, click on it. Otherwise, use the search bar to find your specific bank. You'll then be prompted to securely log into your online banking portal using your bank's credentials. Once you've logged into your bank, you'll need to authorize Coinbase to connect to your account. This step ensures a secure link. Next, confirm which specific bank account you wish to link, especially if you have multiple accounts. In some cases, Coinbase might send one or two small, random deposits, often less than $1, to your bank account. These are for verification purposes to ensure you own the account. If Coinbase sent verification deposits, check your bank statement for these small amounts and enter the exact figures back into Coinbase to confirm. Once verified, your bank account will be successfully linked and ready for transactions. You can now easily deposit or withdraw funds. Also, for those looking to improve their financial understanding, check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.